Hi everyone, today's video is going to be an unboxing of a subscription box. Today's subscription box is Papergang by Oh Dear. Papergang is a monthly stationery subscription box. It is around £10 per month with 5-star products in. Sometimes there's more because there's a trio set or something like that. And yeah, so this is the July 2021. This is my fourth one. It would have been my fifth one, but they cancelled the May one. And yeah, so there's this one. When you open it, you come to how Papergang works. And every 4 boxes they sell, they plant 1 tree. And you come to the box and it's covered and wrapped in this orange tissue paper. The first thing is this pamphlet. It's pretty much about the box. So you've got all the products that's in this month's box, the maker, and pretty much how she came across to make the box, the ideas for the box, how they came up with the themes and that. And yeah, you do get advertising in here. So Artful and Barry's Cactus Club. How to follow them on social media. The next thing is these mini sticky notes. And yeah, so that's the advertising that I saw. On the advert that I saw, the sponsored advert, I saw those clouds that you saw on the front, but with those on. But you know, still really great. Pretty sticky notes and get quite a lot in there, so that's great as well. Next is a monthly calendar sheet. So yeah, every month you get this. Next is some gel pens, I'm guessing. And yeah, so you've got purple, orange and green. My knowledge of art is not great, but 0.5. And those are the designs. So you've got a flower, stripes and good vibrations. Good vibes. So those are awesome. Next is a A5-ish, A4-ish, I'm not, somewhat A4, A5-ish notebook. And that's just the design. And of course I've tested the pens out. Excuse my messy handwriting. I haven't wrote for like goodness knows how long. You get quite a lot in there, so that's great. And it's one of those notebooks, so you can just tear it off once you're done with that sheet if you want to throw it away. Next is a card, the same design as the green pen. And yeah, plastic-free packaging, that's what we like. It's just a plain card inside. I like the gold effect on that as well. It's really nice. Not to play favourites with any of the items in this box, but this has to be my favourite one. Yeah, contradicted myself there, but oh well. Really pretty design. I've never owned washi tape before, so glad this is in here. Get quite a lot as well. The final thing is this A4 notebook with the same design on as always. That's a bit of my washi tape, excuse that. And yeah, this is pretty cool. I do love a good notebook, so this will probably, I'm not too sure what this will be for, but you know, I'll use it for something, or I'll just keep it until I need a new notebook. Yeah, it's really cool, it is. Gold. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.